Well, thank you very much, Egbert, for your presentation. Excellent. Well, I have first thing. Thank you very much to the organization, especially to my friend Slovenko, to give me the opportunity to be here. For me, it's the first time in Slovenia, and I am very happy to be here. And I am invited to speak a new item, a new X to development, name it 2.0. That means digital technology about the maintenance of the roads. Well, I have 1 hour. I will try to reduce this time, 45 minutes or something like this. And my idea is develop these topics, 7 topics, give a general idea, general overview of the activities of ASEFMA, especially in the last 7 years. Was a hard period in Europe, but especially in Spain. I give you some elements and data. And thanks to that, we need another approaches, another way to communicate, to understand the problem. And my idea during this 45 minutes is to share with you our experience. Well, Egbert introduced me perfectly. I only add several things. I feel, my self-introduction, I am a technical people, very interested in the research activities. I have some experience in the international activity, many conferences, many documents, many publications, and that give me the opportunity to see how is the normal way to disseminate the knowledge, how is the normal approaches to the technical information in our sector. I could explain from 1st April, that means 10 years ago, I started my activity in ASEFMA. I don't have on the past any information or any interest about the social network, but I will explain for why I start my activity. My digital identity is Gigi Poti. I propose you to create a Twitter account today, now, and why not follow me if you wish. And my personal history, I start in LinkedIn. It's very normal to start at this level, LinkedIn. LinkedIn in the Maslow pyramid is the first level. And I start in March 2004. Then Facebook. Facebook was in 2009. And then finally, Twitter in 2011. I will explain in my presentation why this data I start. ASEFMA's activities, traditional goal. Well, ASEFMA was, when I arrived, a typical association. The first goal is try to promote the bituminous mixture, try to create groups, work groups and different activities, and to create documents to share at national level or international level, necessary to understand, to remember, the Spanish language is very used in South America, and that gives us the possibility to disseminate our documents in 28 countries. We made technical meetings, but on the first period was normal technical meeting, nothing special. Our balance of these 10 years is we are made 10 national meetings, 1 each year. We have more than 320 documents inside involved of the activity of the sector. In Spain, the activity, the technical approach in the sector is very active. It's normal to receive each year 35 communication at very good level. We made several books at the first time, and then we passed to the DVD format. Continue with the traditional goal. We made the last document were DVDs, and carry out in the last 10 years more than 35 technical meetings. We made many technical meetings, 3 each year more or less, 3.5. And not only national, if not local or specific. I remember, for example, on the past, due to the sea normalization of the activities to change to the sea market, we made many meetings. Well, I finished at this level with my first information, my first topic. The third topic, development of the strategic actions to 5 levels. I explain why. Let me before to share some information, very known information, but I consider it necessary to remember, in terms of the surface of the country in Europe, in the UE27. The most bigger country in terms of surface is France, more than 547,000 square kilometers. Then Spain, more than 500,000. And Sweden, Germany, Finland, Poland. This is the surface of the country. According to the information from European Road Federation, last information, the length of the network road, the first country in Europe is France, more than 1 million. Then Spain, actually I think it's very close to 700,000 kilometers. Germany, Italy, United Kingdom, and Poland. This is very important to remember this position to explain why we push to promote our normal position in terms of the length of the road network. In the first years of my activity in ASEFMA, period 2005 until 2008, I give you, this is the investment from the Ministry of Public Works in Spain. You see, each year is more and more important, it's okay, all the people is happy. This is a very nice period, 2005 until 2008. More important, inside this budget, the most important thing is the budget on this total quantity dedicated to reinforcement of the pavements. This is directly our activity, reinforcement, because inside the first information, do you have other things, but especially in Spain is named the Key 32 reinforcement projects are especially dedicated to the bituminous mixtures. And you see, each year, more and more important, until 2008. At this period, all the people is happy, especially ASEFMA and me, because it's the nice period. Usually, the last reference asphalt figures in 2009 show Spain, in terms of production, made 41.5 million tons. 2006, more. 2007, top is our record in the history, 49.9, that means 50 million tons. And Europe, more or less the same thing. Is more each year is bigger than the precedent until 2007. In 2008, start to decrease something. And in the terms of United States, similar. 2007 is the top, and 2008 start to decrease. In the case of Slovenia, is different, quite different. Congratulations. But we see in Spain, we need to do something. We need to do something because we feel we start a hard period. At this time, at the first of 2009, we tried to react and to try to do something new. For give you, the position of Spain is here, not this line is here. Is the second. The first was Germany. You see, France, Italy, Great Britain, Turkey, and Poland. But 2010, the position of Spain is in this position. Spain is the fourth. It's not according with the length of the network road. Is for that we start to react, necessary to do something. Why? we produce less than other countries if our length is bigger. It's necessary to consider, because this information, as you know, is more or less the addition of two things: construction or maintenance activity. Until 2007, we consider in Spain, on the past especially, many activities linked to the construction. But from 2007 until now, especially the total production is very close to the maintenance activities. Fourth topic, considering the problem, considering the change of the tendency, we try to establish a strategy to reactivate the level of production. And we think necessary, I propose, to react at 5 levels: social impact, political impact, sectorial impact, technical impact, and media impact. I don't have, my idea is to explain you especially technical and social and other things, but you can imagine during these years, from the 2009 until now, we do many things, but I will try to explain to you more or less this approach. The first big, very important document is a technical approach to try to solve the problem, is the document named Monograph 12. The translation is the needs of conservation of the Spanish roads. The idea is try to obtain how much money, how much is necessary to invest to maintain the patrimonial value. Which is the patrimonial value? How much is the cost? How much is necessary to invest to reconstruct all the roads? Well, in Spain we have 4 lengths. Central government, at this line, is named Estado, is only 25,000 kilometers, but more than 80% of the traffic is the big access of the transport in Spain. And the cost, the patrimonial value, is around 7,000 million euros. It's more or less the quantity estimated through a very deep study. Second level is regional network. Regional network is bigger in terms of the length, and the cost is similar, very similar to the central axis. A third level is the local networks, and finally the towns, around the towns. Due to that, we estimate more or less the total patrimonial value in Spain around more than 170,000 million euros. Well, first, very simple. Hypothesis is based on 1% invest 1% of the patrimonial value each year. It's very easy to calculate, to estimate. 700 millions for the central government, same quantity more or less for the other regional administration, and then 240 for the local government. Well, it's possible to reduce that, it's possible to make another approach, trying to optimize this quantity, and this is our final approach, the conclusions of the document, and we propose, we estimate, at least we need 500 million euros each year in both cases, in this case near to 600, and for the local 200 million. Okay, this is the theoretical approach. This is we are estimated how much is necessary, and making the comparison with the investments, we agree. We agree because you see in 2007 and 2008, the quantity invest in reinforcement, as you have seen in the present slide, is very close to this quantity, but the problem starts here. In 2009, decreased absolutely without reference on the past to 24. And the next year, 0. Why? Because the political people say, we don't have money. And we don't have money, we maintain several activities, but reinforcement of the payment is not necessary. It's not a social need. It's not necessary. There are other social needs. Well, fifth topic, arguments during crisis for the preventive conservation. As you know, I explain quickly, as you know, from the first day after the construction, due to the traffic, due to the climatological conditions, the road starts to a deterioration, and you can see this typical curve according to the years of the use of this road. Well, one interesting reference, when you see a deterioration about 30%, probably you have more than 75% of the life used. That means it's very important to be very attentive, and this is the most dangerous part of the curve, because when deterioration starts, then all the problems start. Each year is not one more, it's the double or the 3 times more. It's very important, act at the right time. This is the typical discussion about which is the best approach to manage the conservation, curative or preventive. In terms of the economical point of view, the answer is very easy. In all the cases, it's not so expensive if you adopt the conservative maintenance for the roads. It's a very known conclusion, and we repeat, and we use this approach to defend our position. Well, according to that, according to the information, according to the technical approaches, according to the situation, we start the crisis. ASEMA changed absolutely the first approach, 2005 until 2008, and I defined 4 phases in the ASEMA approach. First phase was the typical ASEMA or other association activities, that mean groups, publication, congress, but typical congress, nothing special. Phase 2, in my opinion, the best period in the recent life of ASEMA. We have enough money to do many things. The country is happy. All the people feel we are in the best position. We are rich. We have the possibility to do many things. And we start to make at the same time, especially in June 2007, if you remember, the price of the bitumen growth drastically. And we need to make some contact with the economical press. Well, we start at this period the contacts with the press, economical press, not technical approaches, no, other kind of people. And we start also at this period political contact for other questions. Especially, I was invited in the Congress, Spanish Congress, appearance in the Congress of the Deputies in Spain, to speak about one very important project of research, named Phoenix Project. I invite you to visit this website, and this is both language, Spain and English, and that was a project for 4 years, 28 million euros, and many things we have during these years the possibility to develop. And during this period, that you remember, Ekber or others, we tried to develop EUCAT. EUCAT was the idea to create a European center, asphalt technology, as the National Asphalt Paving Center of the United States. We finish, the music stop, the happiness stop, and we start the hard period. It's 2009 until 2011, and SEFMA see quickly the crisis, and we made the 5 levels of activity, and we need to make many appearances in general press, monograph of you know, and other activities. For example, in terms of our national meeting, change the philosophy. It's not only technical approaches. It's necessary to speak other things. For example, in 2010, the philosophy, the slogan of this Congress is towards the sustainable growth of the activity. Next year is the needs of conservation of the roads. And the next year, 2011, reinforcing the road, consolidating the future. Our message clearly on the acts to try to develop the first problem in ASEMA is try to recover the normal level of activity. You can find at this period many publications outside the technical publication in general press, economical press. Was the most intensive period of press media except social media. And you see, the situation was hard each year. We see at this figure the total budget in terms of how much invest the ministry for the maintenance, reducing from 2009, but this is the total budget. When I show only the activity in terms of reinforcement is zero. During 2 years was zero. During 700 days was zero. Well, this is a very, very hard situation, was limit without precedent in the world. And the last phase was to push all our capacity to change. And at this period, we reflect around our activity, our sector, strategy. We think our sector, we made each year many technical congress. Paving is an activity very important in terms of our work reverberates in all the citizens, all the people. And our final user is the citizen. It's a hard point. But our client, the administration, is close to our preoccupation, our feelings. It's our client, the administration, but it's necessary to change the message. It's better than on the past. Send the message to the administration, and our opinion, especially at this period, is necessary to change the message to the people, to the citizen, to the other people, not continue to change the acts. It's due to that we develop new website, and we start with the activity in the networks. You see here the number of the followers in ASEMA, and Facebook, and LinkedIn. And ASEMA bids clearly for the social network at this period, 2011. It's due to that I start my activity in Twitter to push and try to help something. We create this publication, this magazine. I invite you to see. For the moment, it's only in Spanish language, but I give the possibility to download free, and we obtain more than 2,000 documents each publication and 6,000 downloads from South America. It's very hard impact. And as SIGMA visualize a different way for the technical meetings. We speak about technical meetings 2.0. And for example, in the case of this publication, this magazine, we are created a group inside LinkedIn, name it Asphalt and Pavimentation, and each time we publish something, we start a conversation, a discussion around different topics inside this publication. And first period was only a short group, but now is near 1,000 people from different countries discussing about the last content, the last publication, or the other question around that. We start at this period, 2010, to see LinkedIn is good, it's okay. But at this period also, we consider it necessary to do other things. And other things is to profit this kind of website I don't know if you know, change.org. Change.org, if you have something in your mind, for example, it's necessary to do something for facilitate the life of the translators, for example. You send this message, you explain why, and you offer to other people to be linked and to adopt these approaches. In this case, in our case, our goal was, the aim of this manifest was the conservation of the road. First thing is a social need, yes. It's very important that, because the political people remember always health, education as the first acts to maintain, same as during the crisis period. But I think it's necessary to add the third point. The third point is this: the maintenance of the roads, because you can do health or education if you don't have a minimal level of maintenance of the roads. It's very important to remember that. It's not a question to convince to you, if not to convince other people. It's the first point, very important point. First thing, same, especially during the crisis. The first budget must be for the construction of the road, must be for the conservation of the road, not for the construction. Political people wish to the inauguration. Inauguration is a big pleasure, I imagine, and it's okay if you have enough money. But especially during the crisis, it's priority to preserve the money for the conservation before the construction. Third point, try to promote a law that forces the public administration to destinate annually the necessary resources. In the case of Spain, we obtain more or less 32,000 million in terms of taxes around the road, around the transport, around the essence, around these kind of things. And we need only 1,000 million. But it's necessary a law to force that. Fourth point, the best approach is preventive conservation to ensure the best efficacy in terms of economical reasons, and finally, establish the budgetary necessary to develop the preventive conservation. Well, this is a very known picture in Spain. I am with the Minister of the Public Works and the owner, the CEO of OHL Group, discussing about that. I say to the Minister, excuse me, Madam, it's not debatable, it's observable, more than 700 days. Because the Minister say me, no, you are not right. No, excuse me. Confirm this information, it's a public information, and she say me, you are agree. Excuse me. She don't have the information. It's very important. It's necessary to make the effort to communicate. A minister is not, is interested to know the information, but it's necessary to send the information at this level. Because the rest of the people, we don't have money, that's all. And finally, the responsibilities for the high level. Well, finally, we think we do many technical congress, but we communicate little and badly to the people. That is my personal approach. Because we convince the convinced one, and we forget the citizens, the politicians, and the citizens. It's very difficult to be here, a politician people, in this conference. Only for the presentation, finish the presentation, and go by. Which is the way? Our personal approach is thanks to the streaming and thanks to the social media. Let me explain how. How do a Congress 2.0? Very easy. First point is to create a hashtag. Hashtag that means in Twitter, thing like this, hashtag, for example, 15th meeting is for today. Only, I recommend for all the events, please put on the first page hashtag. Probably first day, only some people send something. I recommend to you, if you are created your Twitter account, send something at this hashtag. Second point, in my opinion, each time we start with that, the change has drastically. Emission streaming, like this. Third point, it's necessary to communicate previously, thanks to Twitter or Facebook. Do you have an event in 11 May or for the next week? It's very important to produce several press releases, but digital press releases. It's not only typical approaches, if not, digital press releases. It's very similar, but it's oriented to the social network. It's necessary to receive Twitter message during streaming, because it's necessary to select. We don't have any problem on the past in terms of the aggressive Twitter message or something like this. But do you have the possibility to analyze the content of the Twitter and push into your streaming emission only the selected streaming? And sometimes the most difficult thing is to select the Twitter. You will see why. Integrate in the emission like this. And analyze, well, if you add several people, for example, ASEFMA or ITAFEC, more than 10,000 followers, or Asmut, more than 10,000 followers, you ensure a level of impact very important. It's necessary to make an effort to attire these people. Finally, it's necessary to measure the leaf impact, and our experience. The first streaming and social media experience was in April 2012. Was in a very, very closed technical meeting for the speaking about the test for the bituminous mixture. Only 50 people in the physical presence. And we obtained at this data 200,000 impact. Wow. And 50 countries involved in this first emission. We consider it's not bad for the first time. Our actual experience, we have made more than 40 events 2.0. 5 in the first year and 16 in the last year. And I see other very important thing. For the first meeting, the number of active tweeters was reduced. Each meeting is more and more and more people with more and more and more followers. That means the impact starts to grow. And we discovered we are able to arrive to 5 million impressions last year, during this year. And don't be afraid. It's other people. It's perfectly. Some people the first time say me, "Oh, it's dangerous the streaming because probably some people don't go to the meeting." No. Don't be afraid about that. It's other approach, other people, several people. In the case of the last meeting, you will see we are 700 people involved, physical presence. You need to be in contact, but other people, university people, young people, other approach, other people, and in the acts of to share our message in terms to arrive to the citizens is the best acts at our experience to develop. This is, for example, information about a congress in May this year. More than 362 Twitter active accounts, different Twitter accounts. I don't speak about, for example, ASEFMA. I don't speak about Asmut. I don't speak about IAPA. I speak people. Some people use a nickname, Asphalt Defender, or something like this. Well, okay, or Asphalt Angry, there is another. But we involved this year 362 people. It's really important. And during 2 years, you see here the activity, more than 2,680. Really incredible. I don't imagine on April 2012 to be able to arrive at this figure. Well, the last meeting, the last ASEMA meeting, in all the cases is X, because we made the number in Roman style. Jornada meeting ASEMA is always the same. We obtained 172 and more than 10 million impressions. It's the top until the moment. It's the top, 10 million. And more than 2,500 tweets. Events with a big impact, more than 5 million, was, for example, the Congress PPR-US. PPR-US, as you know, in Paris this year, was the first Congress using, thanks to ITAFEC, the streaming and the hashtag, and obtained finally 5 million impressions. Why not to use that? It's very easy. It's only necessary to do these points and to start. In my opinion, it's difficult to find arguments against that. Start, please. Another very important thing, at the finish, you have the possibility to obtain that. This is all the video presentation during the Congress. It's enormous, the effort to develop a meeting like this meeting. But finally, until today, it's only for the memory. We don't have nothing. The presentation, the memory, the feeling. Why not to have a file for each presentation? It's perfectly possible to do that. Let me explain you, last week, I was in this very nice place, named Bariloche. Bariloche is Argentina, and this is the Hotel Yao Yao for develop the Congress. The Congress is the Congress 18th Congress Ibero-Latino-American of the Asphalt. Of course, other Congress using streaming, using hashtag, and several sponsors offer free the access to the streaming. And thanks to that, we obtained first day, is 5 days the Congress. First day, more than 100 participants. First day, around 1,000 tweets and 2 million impressions. It's the first time Fila started on this line. You see the activity is very linked to the schedule of the Congress. And the conclusion, in my opinion, is so important as you see. More than 650 assistants, participants, physical participants in the meeting for 18 countries, but on streaming, more than 1,500 people linked. It's possible to verify the URL, the website, for the access, the IP. And from several IPs, at least 20, was, for example, university. And do you have, if you are interested to see that, in the hashtag, in these hashtags, you can see, for example, Guayaquil University, in one IP, 60 people seeing the streaming. It's other dimension, it's other approaches. And finally the conclusion is more than 6 million impressions. It's not 10 million, but it's enough. We are very happy. It's the meeting of the delegates, the last day. And our decision is clear, to maintain the approach. And for the next meeting will be in 2 years, probably in Medellin, using streaming, of course. Conclusions, I finish now. Our experience to reactivate and to defend the production of bituminous mixtures in Spain during the crisis, we have realized a big effort, a big strategy at 5 levels. As I explained during my presentation, the conservation, in my opinion, is one of the most important things. The conservation of the roads is a social need, is a typical message. Please send that. The conservation is a social need. If many people disseminate this information, finally arrive to the political people. And don't forget one thing. In our sector, if I ask how many people use Twitter, please. Less than 5%. Less than 5%. It's very normal that. But if, for example, journalists, more than 70%. Political people, more than 80%. Don't forget that. It's the best way to access. It's not possible to invite, or you invite their views. But thanks to that, it's possible to send this message. Third point, the preventive conservation is the most economic way of supporting of the patrimonial value. It's precise the development of an indicator, in my opinion, is one of the most important things. We need an indicator, a media indicator. Do you remember during the crisis, each day, the differential with the German value, other many indicators. We don't have an indicator to give one idea about the level of the maintenance of the roads. We need that. It's very important. We need to find something, common goal, to develop a global indicator and to approach, to use this indicator to give an idea. Because the thing is, I feel the road is okay, more or less okay. No, more or less okay. No, it's necessary to have an indicator in terms of the patrimonial value, in terms of the emission, in terms of the consumption of the essence, all the things around. It's very important, in my opinion, is the next acts to develop, in my opinion. And finally, it's necessary to report much more for the citizen. And I propose, it's our experience, use streaming, use Twitter, and use the social network. In the last 10 days ago in Seoul, during the PARC, we made this poster saying, ASEPMA, thanks to the crisis, thanks to this effort at this moment, is the association in the world with the cloud index. Cloud index is the impact bigger in the world. Well, I will be very happy if other, as Mood is closer to this value, we need other associations involved in this effort. Thank you very much for your attention and follow my tweet. Thank you.